Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As you can see, a paddy field. This field is beautiful, and as you can see, a motor house. This is a water pump. My brother's water pump house. The grateful. I am new here. I am practicing my English. So I am practicing slowly English, but I cannot good English. As you can see, uh, today weather is so good and beautiful weather. It's raining here. Is the first video of my life. This video is a practice video, so I am all time trying practicing English. So let's try English. I want to good learn English, but I cannot good English. So of course one day I will success inshallah. Okay, bye bye friends. Assalamu alaikum.